learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, it's time for Practical Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 午後大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. This is the month of December. There's Christmas, New Year's Eve is coming up, and maybe your birthday is coming up. 其實我們這個月都會教大家怎麼說，你要怎麼慶祝 How are you going to celebrate?
唔愛用版慶祝。
唔愛用版慶祝 Okay, 慶祝 again means celebrate. Now, it just so happens if your birthday is in the month of December, then you're going to be celebrating your birthday. 或許有些聽眾們呢，他是要慶祝生日。Alice 就是嗎？
是啊，
他一直指自己。哎呀 ，Happy Birthday 啊！
所以要記得啊。
生日怎麼說呢？
賞你，
賞你，要賞你一個什麼東西啊？
不要賞我，
賞你一巴掌嗎？
不是，我是說賞你。
賞你 ，Okay, that means birthday, and it actually sounds like I'm gonna give you a slap. No. 好，那所以生日快樂就變成是賞你快樂
Yeah，
是這樣子嗎？Oh, I got it. That whole phrase I just said means happy birthday. Now, here in Taiwan, a lot of people love to go to KTVs and karaoke's on birthdays. 唱歌怎麼說？
衝狗誒，
衝狗誒，衝就是 sing， 狗誒就是 a song. Okay, 衝狗誒 that means sing. And on a birthday, this is a must. 無論如何，生日不能沒有蛋糕，對不對？所以我們順便也教大家怎麼說蛋糕呢 ？A cake。
雞卵糕
啊，雞卵糕，這好像以前有教過雞卵糕啦。
對，那海陸腔雞卵糕。
哦，雞卵糕。
雞卵糕。
That's a different dialect for a cake. All right, let's make a sentence right now. 我們就直接說，哎，我會去買生日蛋糕給你，這樣子。
真的嗎？
I'm gonna go buy a cake for you.
我會買雞卵糕本午。
Okay, 我會買 that means I'm gonna buy.
雞卵糕本午。
雞卵糕 that's the cake 本午 for you.
我會買雞卵糕本午。
All right, 我會買雞卵糕本午。
OK。
好啦，一定啦，一定買給你啦。
好啦。
買生日蛋糕比買禮物便宜。
那我兩個都要。
Sometimes it's cheaper to just buy a cake. All right, let's go ahead and review all these terms right now. The birthday, 生日。
賞你。
賞你。And then let's go sing, 唱歌。
衝狗誒。
衝狗誒 and a cake, 蛋糕。
雞卵糕。
雞卵糕 and it's all about how are you celebrating. 你要怎麼慶祝？
唔愛用版慶祝。
唔愛用版慶祝。And there you go, another edition of Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺自細張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.